Stop a sneeze dead in its tracks by pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Yes, it's that simple and surprisingly effective. Ever found yourself in a crowded elevator, desperately trying to stifle an oncoming sneeze, fearing the ensuing awkwardness? This little-known trick can be your savior. The secret lies in the pressure applied by your tongue, which triggers nerves that help suppress the sneeze reflex. This isn't just a quirky life hack, it's a practical solution for those inconvenient moments when silence is golden. Imagine the power of halting an uncontrollable sneeze in a meeting, class, or during a performance. While sneezes are a natural response, having the ability to choose your moment can be a game changer. Next time you feel that familiar tickle, give it a try and marvel at your newfound control over one of the body's most involuntary actions.